This video will show you how to create the mallet head for the Pegboard toy. I'm going to start by making a sketch, and I know from my directions that I've created I need to make a rectangle that is 0.875 wide and 3 inches tall. And I do not finish that sketch. I will have to work within this sketch to make this work. Next I need to make a circle, and I can either specifically put my cursor on the right axis here at 0.875, or if I can't get it to fit perfectly, I can hit tab and type in 0.875, and then I know I need to make that a half an inch from the bottom of my rectangle, so I will type in 0.5. And so now my center point for my hole is created, and then it's typing in a dimension to fit, and I'm going to type in 0.15, and you can see I simply made a nice small circle here at 0.15 inch diameter. Next, in order to remove some of this material so I'm able to have this nice curve as part of my design, I'm going to use the trim feature up here. And notice when I hover over different parts that they go to a dotted line. Now that's telling me that that's a line that I can trim away. So I'm going to click right there for that interior line, and I'm going to remove the outer edge of that circle. So now I've created one of my curves. I need to do the very same thing on the top. So up here, I'm going to type tab 0.875, and again I need to make this a half an inch from the top, which is 3 inches, so half an inch away would be 2.5, and I hit enter. So now my center point is locked in place, and I want the same radius of 0.15. Once more, I'm going to use the trim feature here to trim away both of those pieces, and now finally I can finish that sketch. Now from there I need to revolve this in order to make a round mallet head. So the revolve feature is here in the ribbon, and then it asks me where do I want to make that rotation, and I can choose any one of these lines that highlight as a rotation point, and they all will make different shapes, some of them kind of creative. But I know I need to use this back edge because this curve should be my outside edge of my mallet head. So once I click there, it revolves everything around 360 degrees from that point to make a solid surface. And I simply say OK. So at that point I have created the mallet head.